The Nissan Armada, aging gracefully with premium appeal. My recent encounter with the Nissan Armada marked a notable departure from a previous underwhelming experience. While the Armada might not be the nimblest choice for bustling city streets, it effortlessly redeemed itself during an 800-mile road trip, showcasing a blend of refinement and comfort that defies its age. Designed with highway cruising in mind, the Armada excels on extended journeys. Its spacious interior, adorned with soft-touch plastics and leather-clad surfaces, rivals even the luxurious Lexus LX. The attention to detail extends to the well-crafted dashboard and door panels, creating an ambience reminiscent of higher-end vehicles. Opting for the $750 captain's chairs enhances the comfort of the second row, though the fixed console reveals a slight compromise in material quality. The Armada's forte lies in its serene, plush ride on open roads. Its four-wheel independent suspension and robust sound deadening cocoon passengers in a realm of tranquility. The generously sized front and rear seats offer a comfortable perch, complete with available heating and ventilation in the front, enhancing the luxurious experience. While the handling might falter on winding roads, the Armada excels in delivering a town car-style luxury ride. However, its family-friendliness does face a challenge when it comes to cargo space. With only 16.5 cubic feet behind the third-row seats, it falls behind competitors like the Chevrolet Tahoe and even its smaller Pathfinder sibling. Larger families might find the available space limiting, especially considering the less than ideal seating position in the third row. Under the hood, the Armada boasts a robust V8 engine, providing an impressive 8,500-pound towing capacity. While the power is commendable, the fuel efficiency is less so, trailing behind rivals like the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition. The Gracefully V8 demands more fuel, achieving 13 miles per gallon in the city, 18 on the highway, and 15 combined. Despite these considerations, the Armada's allure lies in its sultry V8 engine and the opulent quilted leather interiors. Positioned as a budget-friendly alternative to the Land Cruiser, the Armada still stands as a respectable choice for family vacations. Driving the 2023 model, priced at $73,310 with added features, reaffirmed the Armada's position as a competitive option in its segment, with a starting price of $57,515 for the 2024 model. The Armada remains in line with rivals such as the Tahoe High Country, Expedition Limited, and Sequoia Limited, in a landscape where age often dulls a vehicle's appeal. The Nissan Armada proves that premium experiences can withstand the test of time.